My name is Carsten Jensen, and I am responsible for quite a few customers here at NTT DATA, also the relationship and partnership we have with Timextender. And we saw 7.5 years ago the need for finding a more efficient way of working with data, even if you don't have a lot of data science and data people working on a data platform. And even if they have, we have seen quite a few customers struggling with just keeping up with making sure that what they already have are working and not really adding much to the business. And I think for us at NTT Data, that is the whole idea of building a data platform is not just to keep it running when you have made the first solutions, it's to keep moving forward, especially in these times where data is such an asset for everything that you want to do. In many ways, I think the partnership together with Timextender has been really easy to work with. The partner managers and always been a positive attitude for helping us in relation to building knowledge, helping on customer projects, and even support cases, whatever it has been. And at times where things has been challenging, we have always been able to find a good way together with the Timextender and the customers in one corporation. So in that perspective, I think it's been a really good and valuable partnership for NTT Data over the years. I can easily recommend the partnership, and our customers will easily recommend the platform because they are harvesting great value from it every day. So thank you for me.